Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. This is Lopita presenting the news headlines of the day. With Maharashtra and Kerala reporting huge surge of COVID-19 cases these days, the Odisha government is reportedly contemplating to not resume physical classes for class 1 to 8. According to sources, there is slim chance of the government allowing physical classes for students during the current academic session. Rituals on the occasion of Magha Saptami were conducted at Chandrabhaga Beach in Puri district Friday without devotees' participation. In order to avoid crowd on the beach in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, the administration clamped prohibitory orders under Section 144 from Thursday 11 am to Friday 1 pm. Actress Kangana Ranaut visited the Puri Jagannath temple amid tight security Friday morning. She offered prayers to the three deities Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra in the temple. According to sources, Kangana arrived in Bhubaneswar Thursday evening and visited the Puri Jagannath temple at around 6 am today. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik Thursday said that Odisha has great potential to emerge as a global hub for steel, aluminium and other metal industries. The state has registered significant growth in mining and mineral industries over the past 2 decades. Industry-friendly measures of the state have attracted huge investments, he said. The Chief Minister, along with the Union Mines Minister Prahlad Joshi, inaugurated the production work at Gwali and Jilling Langalota iron ore mines allotted to state PSU, Odisha Mining Corporation, on virtual mode. The kingpin of a bike lifting racket has been arrested and 9 bikes were recovered from his possession, said the Ganjam police Friday. The arrested kingpin has been identified as L. Shivareddy, a native of Gokarnapur under Digaphanti police limits in Ganjam districts. The last rites of 2 teenage girls found dead in an agriculture field in Babuhara village of Asoha police station area were performed here Friday morning amid tight security arrangements. These girls, aged 16, 15 and 14, were found in a field by the villagers Wednesday night when they did not return after leaving their house to take fodder for cattle. Facing vehement opposition from temple servitors, citizens and politicians from across Odisha, Union Culture Minister Prahlad Singh Patel Friday put the National Monument Authority NMA draft heritage bylaws for the state on hold. According to sources, the crucial decision came after intense protests against the controversial bylaws from different quarters in the state. A delegation of BJP leaders had met the Patel demanding withdrawal of the bylaws. That's all for today. To stay updated, stay with Orissa Post Live.